Hello friends, YouTube land. It's a nice sunny day here in San Diego. For the next few hours. We got a storm coming in that's supposed to arrive around 8 o'clock, 8 to 9 o'clock tonight. So I took it upon myself. I went ahead and ordered 2 more totes from, and I'll give them a shout out, SanDiegoDrums.com. They were able to give me a little deal, not a big one, but a little deal, and get these delivered out here this morning. Even though it's after 3 right now, and I'm still working on them because yeah, they're heavy. I took them apart, washed them out, and then I grabbed some spray paint because the first one was starting to algae a bit. So we concentrated on me and my daughter. I just sprayed this one here, but we did the sides that are going to be buried, that we won't be able to get to later. So we got these in place, and I can spray paint the rest later. I'm kind of tight in here, there's not much room. But right now, I got my parts, some more parts and pieces, and I've already added the female thread, the slip adapter there. I'm going to put one in each one, come out to a T, connect them all together, and then I'm going to have it come out here and put an end cap. And I'm going to do the same thing over here for now. I'm going to come out and put an end cap until I figure out how I'm actually going to feed the system. On Amazon I saw they have a 1/2 inch float float valve. So I might just go ahead and order that. The hydroponic stores doesn't have anything larger than 1/4 inch. So yeah, until I'm absolutely sure how I'm gonna get it over there, I'm gonna just cap it off here and then put a valve here so I can shut it off. And yeah, I don't know why I'm putting a valve there, because I have valves there, so I might not put the valve there, because I could shut the valves here, take that little bit of water out of the pipes and extend it when I'm ready to, or to put the end on. I might do a 2 inch to 3/4 inch adapter and then take it down to a 1/2 inch down there. Anyway, I'm working on getting rid of this stuff. So eventually I'll have, it looks like I can probably get 3 to 4 more here. So I don't know if I'll get those in before our rainy season's over with. We have the storm tonight, and it looks like on a 7-day forecast one next weekend too. So we'll see. I mean, unless I can find a place to put these in the backyard for now, I've just been throwing a couple away each week. So we'll see what happens during the week. But this is 275 gallons each, so that's 750 plus the 15 extra. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I can't do math. 75. Oh, whatever. It's 275 times 3. You do the math. My brain's not working right now. So I'm going to get busy. I want to get this done tonight. Maybe spray paint a little bit more, and then go work on something else. It's probably going to rain tomorrow. I'll probably work on microgreens tomorrow, since I won't be able to get much done outside. So let me get to work, and then we'll catch you in a little bit. Okay, I got them plumbed up, and that's, as you can see, I didn't want to glue much in case I have to take apart and replace a tote or something, which I don't think will happen for years. But I had to glue there, and I had to glue there, and I glued there just because I felt like it. But yeah, it's all the valves are open now, and water you can't see because everything's painted, but I left this one unpainted. And I don't know if you remember earlier, but it's right out that net line there, but it's down to 1/3, so it's sharing it with the other 2 totes. And you can see with the paint, you can't see anything, so that will help with algae. So all I gotta do is I got 1.5 cans left to paint the top here and the rest of this side, and I'm good for now. This is the paint I found. It's Rust-Oleum, and the main reason I got it is also bonds to plastic, so it's perfect for this. It's paint and primer in one. It's supposed to give you twice the coverage. That's debatable. I don't know. I went through. See, I bought a total of 9 cans because I bought 4, and when I went back, one wasn't working right, so I took it back and I got 5 more. So I guess it's a total of 8 cans, and I got 1 full can left, and I got about half a can here, so that's not bad. 7 to 8 cans for 3 totes. And I didn't get the back of this one because it was already in place and full. If I have to, I'll put a piece of cardboard or something in the back there, but I think it's going to be all right. So that's it. I'm going to finish painting right now, and we'll wait till tonight's storm and see how much it does. I might leave a strip here, since this side does not get any direct sunlight until maybe summertime. That way is direct east. That's direct south. And so the sun's over there. So I might like leave one stripe open so I can see the level for now. And paint it later. And what I'm going to probably do is either in one of the other ones, or drill here, or put a T or a elbow up and bring a pipe up, so I can do a have a dipstick in there that will rise as it fills up. I'm leaning towards doing something out here because I don't want to drill any holes in here if I don't have to. So maybe I'll just do a T and then an elbow up, so it's kind of strapped along the side here. And then I'll put a little cap with a 1/2 inch thread on it, and put a plunger rod, some type of plastic rod down, and I'll mark it off in feet or something, so it will rise up and tell me how much is in there. Or maybe I'll have it come all the way to the back and do it here in the back so it's out of the way. That's an idea. That's another project for another time. Right now I don't really care. It's getting chilly, it's getting late, it's approaching 5 o'clock, it's 4:30, so I want to get this painted and done. It's starting to get windy and cold. So I will talk to you guys in the next clip. That concludes our rain collection expansion. And any questions, comments, go ahead and leave them down below. I'm going to have to just notice that. I better fix that before I go in, or I'm not going to get any water from the storm. So anyway, leave any comments or questions below. Like, subscribe, all that Yahoo stuff, whatever. And I'll talk to you guys in the next clip. Laters.